Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So this is me, Jimboy. For today's vlog guys, I just want to share a simple day of my life. But for me, it's something very meaningful because you know what guys, everything I did today was for my family. So this morning, guys, I started my day by preparing breakfast. So dra guys, nagluto ko guys og hot dogs guys and longganisa. So I cook hot dogs and longganisa, and while I was frying them, I realized how love can be shown even in the smallest actions. Dra guys, nagluto ko guys para sa amo ang pamahaw, guys. It's not just about cooking food, it's about making sure the people you love feel cared for even in simple ways, seeing them happy and satisfied already fills my heart with so much joy. So yung nana guys kani akong pagluto guys is para jud ni sa ilaha guys, kinakasing-kasing jud ang pagtabang dili jud sa ingon nga atik-atik. So after that, I spent time with my lola. So after ana guys, pag man ako luto guys, nag-prepare ko para sa muang pamahaw guys. Dayon magsalo-salo na dayon may di po sa ingon nga kana magsalo-salo wala, but kanang magkaon bitaw ko together with your family, together with with your family ana. It's kanang diha gyud makita nimo og unsa ma-feel jud nimo nga kuan nga nang happy kay ka sa nga tanan kay naa sila nana siya guys. So dira guys, nagluto kog hotdog, din ako na din haon guys ang hotdog og longganisa kay aron mahaw na dayon ta ani pag after dayon ani inana mag guys bisag inana kagamay guys acts of cleaning inana jud nga makita jud nimo ma-show nimo ang love sa imo ang balay ug sa imo ang together with your family guys. So bisag inana ka simple nga chores guys can carry the deepest meaning when done sa with a genuine heart guys. So dili pud sa ingon guys nga it's not just about making things look clean guys, but it's about creating pag create og space space filled with care and warmth. So dira guys, ako ang kuyog dira guys sa pagpanghinlo sa gawas guys kay ako ang lola guys. So after that, I spent time with my lola outside our house. We cleaned together using a stick broom, gathering all the dried leaves into sacks. Dili lang dried leaves, guys, but mga cellophane and other kind of trashes, guys. So then we carefully burned the leaves to keep our surroundings clean. So after that, guys, wala pa namon na siya gihalingan, guys, but naadyo'y plano nga halingan na siya kay lisod pod og dili na halingan kay aron managhan ng sagbot. So kana guys, stable pa na siya kung asa dapit na locate ang halinganan dapit. So dira guys, namunit kog sagbot guys then one by one, then we while we were doing it I felt this quiet happiness guys because even simple chores become special when you are doing with them with someone you love. Ay nana guys in every sweep, wash and wipe there is effort guys, patience and love behind it. Sometimes makaingon lang ka guys na growth begins in these small responsibilities we often overlook, like doing these tasks can teach or it teaches discipline, gratitude, and appreciation for what we have. It is something like kuan guys kanang kung manghilo mo kay guys, matagaan og space no, og mahimo pod nga malinawon ang imuang pamuyo. Kay tungod nang hinlo man ka, kinasing-kasing mo ang paghinlo, dili gyud nga fake, no? Inalas, no effort no is ever wasted when it's done for the people you care about, no? So dra guys, moments like these may seem ordinary but for me guys, they are full of meaning. Daghan siya og meaning guys, kanang pagpahinlo sa balay guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to appreciate the little things and the people around you.